ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee tungkol sa flood control scandal.
Lagi po mga kasamahan sa Senado, sa ating mga resource persons at sa bawat Pilipino sumusubaybay, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Today, we gather for a consultative meeting and our organizational briefing to organize the Blue Ribbon Committee under the present majority bloc headed by Senate Pro Tempore and Acting Senate President Sherwin Gatchalian. To be clear, we will be asking for updates from the executive agencies. As we proceed, this committee must likewise address the circumstances surrounding the June 4 press conference held in the session hall. That press conference was presented to the public as a Blue Ribbon Committee proceeding despite having no authorization from the duly recognized chairman of the committee or from the office of the acting Senate President. It was conducted outside established Senate rules and institutional processes. Simply put, it was not a legitimate Blue Ribbon committee hearing. It was irregular, a house show, as you may want to call it, a make-believe investigation masquerading as an official Senate proceeding. Sa isinagawang ilihitimong pagdinig, muling naungkat ang mga testimonya ng 18 maleta boys kaugnay sa di umanay milyon-milyong kickback mula sa flood control projects na dineliver daw nila sa ilang mga opisyal, kabilang na po sa inyong lingkod at maging sa isang pari. Ito po ay walang basihan, walang katotohanan, ni walang naipresentan dokumento, resibo, o anumang konkretong patunay, kundi puro salita lamang. Madali pong magturo, madaling gumawa ng kwento at napakadaling manira na reputasyon. Kaya tungkulin po ng Blue Ribbon Committee na tiyakin ang bawat aligasyon ay nakabatay sa matibay na ebidensya at mapagkatiwalaang testimonya. Hindi po tayo papayag na basta na lamang may darating po dito sa komite na ito para maglahad na kung ano-ano na wala naman po mga ebidensya o mga testigo na bigla na lamang pong susulpot kinabukasan na hindi na po mahagilap. Hindi tayo narito upang magbigay ng hatol batay lamang po sa mga haka-haka. Narito tayo upang alamin ang katotohanan. At this juncture, please allow me to acknowledge the presence of my esteemed colleagues, Senators Kiko Pangilinan, our Vice Chairperson, our Acting Senate President, Senate Pro Tempore Win Gatchalian, and my colleague, Senator Rafi Tulfo. Thank you for coming today. Before we proceed, let us pause for a minute of silent prayer for our kababayans in Mindanao. Meron pong 7.8 na lindol na tumama po doon kani-kanina lamang. Nais ko rin pong gamitin po ang pagkakataon na ito upang batiin po ang isa nating kababayan, si Alex Ayala, for winning the Birmingham Tennis Championship sa United Kingdom. Congratulations po. At this juncture, please allow me to acknowledge the press. May I now request the Blue Ribbon Committee Secretary to acknowledge our resource persons for today. Committee Secretary.
The following resource persons are present from the Department of Public Works and Highways, Undersecretary Ricardo Bernabe III, Undersecretary Arthur Bisnar. From the Department of Justice, Prosecutor General Richard Anthony Fadulion, Undersecretary Nicholas T., Assistant Secretary Joey Bernardes. From the Department of Budget and Management, Assistant Secretary Andrea Celine Magtalas. From the Office of the Ombudsman, Attorney Karen Batu, Attorney Jeffrey Ravello. From the National Bureau of Investigation, Director Melvin Matibag. That's all, Your Honor.
Comsec, may we know who did we invite other guests? Can you mention those who did not show up today, despite the fact that we sent notices to them last Wednesday afternoon?
We invited Representative Ferdinand Martin Romualdez, Representative Sia Alonto Adyong, Representative Jose Alvarez, Representative Julian Jam Baronda, Representative Laila de Lima, through Speaker D. The reason for their absence, Attorney Cheloy Velicaria Garafil said that the House of They sent a letter respectfully declining the invitation on the grounds of parliamentary courtesy.
Okay, what about the 18 bodyguards, Comsec? Did we invite them?
We have not. Yes, we invited them, but we have not received any reply.
What about Attorney Baligot? Did we invite them? Did we
Yes,
invite
Your
him?
Honor, we invited, but we have not received any reply.
What
well.
about former Congressman Mike Defensor? Did we invite him?
We did not invite former Congressman Mike Defensor.
Okay, Comsec.